this is how you can make money using this free website builder. Guys, this is so powerful, and today I'm going to give you exactly the source of actually making money in one of the simplest ways possible. What we will be doing is we will be creating websites for businesses that are local to our area and they don't have a website, or maybe they don't have a good website. We're going to create it with this platform that is YouWare. I will leave the link for it down below in the description. Check it out. And we will be making websites for them. So if you already have created like a website for this kind of company, or if you have their actual files, you can upload them here using the upload function. Or you can just paste the code that you get from their HTML. But you can also go ahead and create a new website from scratch. You can add images using this plus button. And you can also add MCP tools like Firecrawl, Unsplash, Google Maps that will enhance your workflow, that could scrape the website or scrape the web, search the web, and all of these beautiful things. So what we're going to try today is to actually create a website for a local company in my city. And as you know, guys, there are literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of companies that are in this category that are local and they don't have a website, and you could charge to $200 to $300 per year with a very easy to create website, or maybe just $100 to host it for them. So you could make like a profit on the difference, on the arbitrage. So this is super powerful. So let's say that I found service assistants in my city, Heraklion. So let's say that we found this best assistance company. We can go ahead and open all of these websites associated with it. We also have like a phone number, a few photos that we can see over here. So we can see here that they don't actually have a web page, but they have like some professional listings on professional websites. So we can get these informations and use them on our own. They also got a Facebook page. So let's say that we take their actual, let's say, logo. We can also take like this image. Okay. We can also take like their information. So let's say details, phone. We can also add like the email and the location. And there are a lot of other informations that you could use, maybe like at this Facebook page. I want you to create a professional website for this is assistance car company in Greece. You make the website in Greek language, use the images and information below. So hosting a website is actually really cheap. It's like $20 per month. Finding a server to run all of these websites is also quite cheap. It's like $2 to $3 a month per page. So at the end of the day, you will be charged around $50 per month, or actually $50 per year for one website, and you can sell it for $200, $300, creating it with AI. And you could use YouWare for that. You could use some kind of other tool. You could use multiple tools together. It's all up to you. But this is just a very nice and very unique opportunity that you could use. And focus on local companies, because competition in USA is huge, but competition in your own country, in your own city is so small, guys. You can differentiate yourself heavily. You could make offer to thousands of companies, and you only have to close like 20 or 30 of them. And you will be making like $50 per year per company, or $100 just to host their websites that you have created, pre-made for them. And you saw them like with a screenshot or whatever. So this is super powerful. It's super easy. It's super easy to automate it as well. So you might look at that. I think this is a quite good opportunity. And of course, you can do similar things. Instead of just applications, you can generate logos for them. You can generate advertising banners using AI. You can use AI tools to improve their copy on their website so they can do more sales. You can do all sorts of these things. And what you want to do is use AI beforehand to show them their demo, to show them what result they're paying for. And this is how you will be able to close them even better. So they can actually see the final result and they know exactly what they will be paying for. So if you offer something good, it's very easy for them to buy. So as we can see here, YouWare is setting up the project, setting up the pages, the files. You can see it takes a little bit of time to run, and every day you have like 5 free tasks that you can use with the free version. Now, if you want to actually create something super amazing or maybe make changes, highly suggest that you go with the paid plan and also use multiple tools, in all honesty. Also, if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial about the capabilities of YouWare and exactly what functionalities exist, I would highly suggest that you go and watch the video right down below in the description. This is my first YouWare video that I have made, and it shows you every little bit of thing. We created an amazing portfolio website, and I think if you're interested in that, to pursue it as a career, first of all, I suggest it, and second, you can go watch that video to get a better sense of what is happening. So it analyzed the company logo and service vehicle images to create a website, implemented hero and all of these things. So that's interesting. This is super interesting. And if you can find a way to find cheap domains or find very cheap hosting, or maybe host in a single like a computer multiple websites, you could make even more margin. So you can sell for $100, but it's going to cost you like $20 to $30 a year. So that's also interesting. Or maybe you can sell retainers. So like you want one change, it's $50. Or you want to change one text, it's $10 or something like that. So you really could turn this into a business, and you don't need a lot of clients. You really need, I don't know, 100 clients per year if you have also retainers, and this is pretty manageable. You will have to manage 100 people every single year. The retainers, if they are 10 to 20 people, you will be making another $500, $600 on the side, or you could even sell it for even higher. But at first you want to create a portfolio, and after that you can charge more money. So let's see the website. It's done so many changes. This is purely agentic. This is beautiful to see. This is amazing. So this is the website. This is interesting. This is a good website. I like it. This is very nice. It has the phone, the number. Here you can send like an email. This is very nice. Great work. Put the actual logo attached to the page, and also add the image over to in the header as background. Okay, so we're clicking boost to improve the website design. This is an option that you want also to use before you send the website to the people. Or maybe you could boost their website and show them 2 different versions, the cheap one and the little bit more premium one. And it won't cost you anything to generate both of these, but you can show them like a progress or an improvement or something like that. So this could potentially boost. So you could have like the cheap one for $100 and the premium one for $150. But this $50 difference didn't cost you anything. It was just a single click on your YouWare platform. So this is also super powerful. So I find this super lucrative, and I also see that actually the MCPs work very, very well. This is super exciting to see. I didn't expect the MCPs to actually work that well. This is heavily unexpected. Of course, this takes time, but the result is actually amazing. I really see amazing progress by this tool. I also see it's a very good website that you could easily charge $100 a year. And it costs really 10 minutes of your time. So you are getting paid $100 for 10 minutes of your time maximum, and you could do that in parallel. So in a single day, you could potentially create 6 websites in a single hour, which means $600 every day of potential income. And if you extrapolate that to 10 hours of work, you could literally every single day create $6,000 of yearly income by generating this kind of websites. Now think about if you could automate this process and, literally hire workers to do most of that, or maybe run YouWare in parallel with multiple chats or use multiple kind of tools for this thing. You could literally generate 100 websites in 1 hour and just send cold emails to people and try to sell them the website. And you only have to sell one every single day. And at the end of the year, you would have made like 30K minimum. So, this is amazing. Maybe I should actually go ahead and do exactly that. Maybe it's a good opportunity. Maybe I'm wasting this chance. Maybe I should go ahead and do it. Maybe I should. And the great thing is that as you scale to to more websites, you could scale your servers and you could have like a cost of $100 per month for a good web server, and like with that service like 30-40 websites. So these 40 websites will be making you like $200 per month. So yeah, you've got a good profit margin there as well. But again, in all honesty, it's all up to the country. So for like Greece, to create a new website, a simple one like that, it's like $200, $300. And it's just a retainer. So you could like tell them, we created the website for you. It has this. We sell it to you with the hosting for 1 year. You don't have to worry about anything. You get it as it is. You give us $300. Boom. You get the sale. You have optimized everything. No need back and forth. No need to show anything. No need for multiple talks. Do you want it? I have it ready for you. I can deploy it in a second and you could use it. Do you want it? Yes. Good. Let's go. Whoa! So the website is ready and it improved so much. Black and white animations. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Okay, so we got some more changes that we could do. And we have also testimonials potentially that we could add. So yeah, this is a really professional website. Oh my God, this is insane. And we could add like a map that shows exactly the spot. So yeah, that will need a little bit more manual work, but it looks very interesting. It looks very good. Yeah, so you have all of the contact info. Let's see if we could actually add the logo or whatever. So yeah, you can see how in a single day you could generate like, you got to do one of these sales. One of these sales, you get $300 a year. And if you do one sale a day, you make like 10K per month. And you need only one sale and you could generate like 30 websites, 40 websites per day. So yeah, you understand how powerful this is, how amazing this is. And you can see me doing it already completely for free. So you could, you could as well just use the free version and create a website a day, 30 websites per month, and try to sell them. Even if you make one sale per month, you still make a good income, especially if you don't live in USA, or if you live in USA, just go ahead and sell to USA people. You're just going to make the exact amount of money you need to make as a USA person. Why not? If you live in India, go sell to Europeans. Pretty simple. Just sell to Europeans. Find the most distant cities that have like 100,000 people and sell there. Outcompete everyone. It's not hard. If you live in India, $300 is like the monthly wage. You need to make one sale per month to live amazingly well, or something like that. Okay, so it says it fixed all the image paths to the website. So yeah, we see the logo. Well, this is not exactly the logo we would like, but yeah, it seems a lot better. I kind of like it. So yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, this is nice. Fake testimonials as well. Why not? This looks very good. I really like it. And Facebook is also working. So it really redirects to Facebook. This is beautiful. You could click here to publish this, and you can go ahead and send them a message to show them your creation. So they could actually use it. So this is interesting. This is beautiful. Oh my God. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.